Hello and welcome to another GoodX Web training session. In this video we will show you how to log in and navigate in our Learning Center. Go to the Learning Center link. You can save the URL as a bookmark to make future navigation easy and quick. Type in your username and password that is provided by GoodX. If you do not have access to the Learning Center, please request the login details from your practice's consultant. Every practice has one username and password for the Learning Center that all practitioners and personnel can access simultaneously. Click on the Login button. You are now logged into our Learning Center. The first page that you'll be navigated to is our main home page. This is where you'll find our bookcase with all our manuals and practice guidelines. When you scroll down, you will find more content such as printing the manuals, a reminder to enable pop-up links, new features in a nutshell, release notes, handy information, and much more. When you scroll up and look at the right-hand side of the home page, you'll see additional training information. In this side panel, you will see our webinar laptop. Once you click on this laptop, you'll be navigated to our YouTube channel's home page. Here you'll see upcoming live streams, past webinars, and tutorial videos. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell button to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded to stay updated with our software. Let's go back to the Learning Center. Underneath, you'll find information about the trainings we offer at our training center. Feel free to contact us to schedule a training session. Looking at the bookcase, you'll notice that it's sectioned between GoodX, GoodX Web, hospitals, and so forth to make it easier for you to select the required information. Take note that some of these sections have their own individual roadmaps, guidelines, and/or critical functions book. Click on the books in the bookcase to navigate to the required manual. When clicking on the Roadmaps book, you'll be navigated to the Glossary and Roadmaps manual. Take note, whenever you go into a new book or section, you will have to click on the Enroll Me button. Click on the Glossary and Roadmaps topic under our Workflow wheel. Now you'll be able to browse the glossary, which contains our terminology, functions in GoodX, as well as how to access these functions, which makes up our roadmap. This is where you'll find the terms and functions as they're found in GoodX in alphabetical order. Click on the GoodX Learning Center in the top left corner to navigate back to the home page. When you click on the Guidelines book, you'll be navigated to our different booklets that will give you a short overview of all the critical steps that needs to be taken in order to be able to collect all fees and expenses for work done, as well as document clinical information of patients. In basic terms, these guidelines tell you what to do in your practice and why you do it. You can click on the green booklet applicable to your practice, such as Diary and Medical Debtors Management, or just Medical Debtors Management. You'll then be navigated into our first page of the booklet, the table of contents on the left-hand side, as well as what's on the next page. Click on Next with the topic to navigate to the next page and carry on as you read through the content. Navigating back to the home page, we'll be looking at the critical functions. When you click on a critical functions book, You'll be navigated to the index thereof, where you will also find the workflow chart. The idea behind the wheel/flow chart is to give practice a short reference to topical parts of the manual to get them started on GoodX. You can either click on the topic in the chart to be directed to the different functions in that topic, or you can simply scroll down. From here, you can click on a function where a new page will then pop up containing the basics and step-by-step guide about this function. To log out of the Learning Center, click on your username in the top right corner and then click on the Logout button.